Good day, dear listener. Today we embark on a journey to a calmer, more tranquil state of mind. We are about to delve into the nurturing world of guided meditation, an ancient practice that has helped countless individuals find peace amid life's tumultuous waves. This practice is not just about finding temporary relief, but about building a resilient mindset, one that can weather any storm. Within the span of 10 minutes, you'll be guided through a sequence of mindful exercises designed to help you overcome obstacles, ease stress, and melt away anxiety. The benefits of this practice are manifold, from enhanced focus to improved mood, and even better sleep. So whether you're facing a mountain of challenges or simply wish to find a moment of tranquility in your day, this guided meditation is here to assist you. Prepare to immerse yourself in a world of serenity and peace. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Feel your body connecting with the surface beneath you. You are here in this moment and nowhere else. Breathe in, breathe out. Let each breath anchor you to the present, to the here and now. Imagine your body as a tree. Your feet, your legs, your torso. They are the trunk, firmly rooted in the ground beneath. Your arms, your fingers. They are the branches, reaching out, embracing the world around you. Your thoughts, your worries, your fears, they are the leaves, rustling in the wind, transient, always changing. Now, pay attention to your breath. Each inhale brings in energy, each exhale releases tension. Feel the air fill your lungs, and then slowly leave, taking with it any stress or anxiety. Inhale positivity, exhale negativity. Breathe in, breathe out. You are the tree, rooted in the ground, swaying in the wind, but never breaking. Now, focus on the sensations you are experiencing. The weight of your body against the surface beneath you, the rise and fall of your chest with each breath, the air as it enters and leaves your nostrils, the sensation of your clothes against your skin. These are all signs that you are here, in the present. They anchor you to reality, they ground you. And as you continue to breathe, to feel, to be, remember this. You are not your thoughts, your worries, your fears. You are the observer, the witness. You are the tree, standing tall and firm, rooted in the ground. You are not the leaves rustling in the wind. You are not the storm, but the calm that comes after. So continue to breathe, to feel, to be. Let each breath connect you with the present, with the world around you. Let each sensation anchor you to the here and now. You are present, here and now, grounded and connected. Imagine yourself in a tranquil forest, the sunlight filtering through the leaves. You are surrounded by towering trees, their bark rough but comforting against your touch. The leaves rustle gently in the breeze, whispering secrets of the forest to those who listen. This is a place of deep, abiding serenity. The air is cool and fresh, carrying the scent of damp earth and the subtle fragrance of wildflowers. You breathe it in, feeling the crisp air fill your lungs, cleanse your body, and soothe your mind. You can hear the distant trickle of a stream, a gentle, rhythmic sound that flows through the forest like a lullaby. Each splash and gurgle is a note in the forest's symphony, a melody that speaks of nature's timeless rhythm and harmony. Beneath your feet, the ground is soft with a carpet of moss. It springs lightly under your weight, as if welcoming you to this haven of tranquility. Each step you take is a gentle caress, a silent conversation between you and the forest. In the distance, you can see a deer grazing peacefully, its gentle eyes watching you with a calm curiosity. It embodies the spirit of the forest, serene, untroubled, and at one with the world. You can taste the sweetness of the forest in the air, a blend of dew-kissed leaves and ripe berries. It's a taste that lingers on your tongue, a reminder of the forest's bounty and generosity. As you walk deeper into the forest, you come across a clearing. Here the sunlight streams down, bathing you in its warm, golden glow. The light dances on your skin, its touch soft and comforting, wrapping you in a blanket of warmth and peace. In this clearing you find a large flat stone. It's warm from the sun, inviting you to sit and rest. As you sit, you feel the stone's steady, solid presence beneath you. It grounds you, connecting you to the earth and the forest around you. Close your eyes and let the sounds of the forest wash over you. The rustling leaves, the distant babbling brook, the soft cooing of birds hidden in the foliage. Each sound is a thread in the forest's tapestry, weaving a story of peace, tranquility, and harmony. You feel your breath syncing with the rhythm of the forest. Each inhale brings in the forest's freshness and vitality. Each exhale releases any tension, any stress, any worry. You are becoming one with the forest, your energies mingling and merging, creating a bond that is as old as time itself. In this serene forest, you feel at peace, unburdened and free from stress. This is your sanctuary, a place where you can retreat and find solace. This forest is a testament to nature's resilience, its ability to thrive in spite of obstacles. And just like this forest, you too can overcome any obstacle, any challenge that comes your way. Now, let us fill our minds with positive affirmations. Breathe in deeply, hold it for a moment, and as you exhale, let's allow these affirmations to seep into the very core of our being. First, repeat after me. I am calm and centered. Picture these words wrapping around you like a protective cloak, buffering you from the stress and chaos of the world. Feel the tranquility and balance they bring as they anchor you in the present moment. Next, let's affirm, I have the power to overcome any obstacles that come my way. Visualize these words as a sturdy bridge, spanning the chasm between your current struggles and your future successes. Feel the strength and resilience they instill in you, equipping you to face any challenges that may cross your path. Now whisper to yourself, I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. Imagine these words as a gentle but empowering breeze, sweeping away any negative thoughts or feelings. Embrace the sense of control and mastery they bestow upon you, reminding you that you are the captain of your own ship. Moving forward, let's declare, I am worthy of love, happiness, and success. Envision these words as a glowing, warm light, radiating from within you and illuminating all the corners of your life. Feel their warmth and brightness, reinforcing your self-worth and paving the way for love, joy, and prosperity. Finally, let's chant, I release all tension and anxiety. Imagine these words as a peaceful stream, washing away all your worries and fears. Experience the relief and serenity they bring as they cleanse your mind and soul, leaving you in a state of deep relaxation. Remember, these affirmations are not just words. They are powerful tools that can transform your mindset, boost your self-confidence, and help you navigate through life's challenges with grace and ease. So let's repeat them as often as needed until they become a part of who we are. You are strong, you are capable, you are at peace. Slowly bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. As we gently come out of this meditative state, let's not forget the journey we've just been on. The affirmations we've focused on are not just words. They are powerful tools to help us navigate through life's stressful moments and daunting obstacles. Let's recall them one more time. I am capable. I am resilient. I am calm. I am at peace. As you go about your day, remember these affirmations. They are your shield in the face of adversity, your beacon in times of stress, and your light in moments of darkness. You've taken a significant step today by investing this time in yourself, in your mental and emotional well-being. This journey of overcoming obstacles, easing stress, and melting away anxiety is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It's a path you've chosen to walk, and every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to a life of tranquility and strength. Now, as we wrap up this session, let's take one last deep breath together. Inhale deeply, hold it for a moment, and then release. Feel the relaxation and peace washing over you, replacing any residual stress or tension. Notice how your body feels lighter, your mind clearer, and your spirit brighter. As you slowly open your eyes, take a moment to appreciate the tranquility within you. Look around you and see the world through your calm and clear lenses. Notice the sounds, the colors, the textures, and the smells. Take this moment to connect with the world around you, to ground yourself in the present moment. Remember, you are not alone in your journey. We all face obstacles, we all experience stress, and we all have our moments of anxiety. But remember, you are stronger than any obstacle. You are calmer than any storm. and you are resilient in the face of any challenge. Carry this tranquility with you, remembering that you have the strength and the calm to overcome any obstacle.